Hi everyone, welcome to another product demo. This time we're releasing version 1.3 for all our beta testers, and we're releasing two new features. One is this button right here, which allows you to navigate the sessions that you have tried before. So when you click on it, this side panel appears and you can look for I don't know, previous work that you have been doing. For example, in here I guess we're trying to get some S11, and by clicking live session you go back to your current project. So that's one. And the most important feature is we have the ability to now interact with multiple designs within a given file. So let's try this example that has a feed structure and some elements and then an array of these elements. So let's load it up. Just like before, the code that connects to HFSS is being run in the background, and it's extracting all metadata about the simulation. And once it's done, you should get some summary here. You have, for example, two active designs. Sorry, the active design is the feed structure plus the 3D comp antenna. There are 3 total designs. Here's the design summary, but it tells you that, for example, the aperture element is not solved. Okay, that's interesting. The feed structure is solved, and then the feed structure plus the 3D comp antenna is solved. So you have 2 out of 3 designs solved, 4 total ports across design, ready for analysis. So like before, you can now ask a question, and now these questions can be comprehensive across all designs. So you can go, for example, say plot, like before, S11 magnitude, but then for all solved designs. And maybe you want to do something with so that they interact, so that designs, some data between designs interact. So for example, just in this case, to make it easy for also designs, and plot 1 for the sum. And just like before, our code generating agent is taking this request, and it's basically fine-tuned to interact with the HFSS APIs. And once it writes the code, you can write it on the notebook, and you're going to be able to see it here on the right hand side along with the result. So here it is. Great. So I wrote the code up here. You can see the plots for S11 for the feed structure, S11 for the feed structure plus the 3D comp antenna, and the sum up here. And it explained what it did. So this code plots the magnitude in dB of S11 for each solved design, this one and this one, as well as the dB magnitude of the sum of their absolute value of S11 using linear sum before converting to dB. Anyways, you can take a look at the code here and continue to ask more questions. But that's what I wanted to show you right now, that we can interact with multiple designs within a simulation. All right. As always, you can close the project by clicking here, and again, explore it again over here. So if you click refresh, a new design showed up here, which is the one that we just solved. All right. Thank you so much.